you were pre-terminated, tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gusto lang po namin malaman kung kayo po ba ay nag-resign or tinanggal sa OVP?
Nag-ano po kami, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap prior to the previous hearing. It was really a mutual decision, Your Honor.
What do you mean mutual po? Tinanggal ka po ba o nag-resign ka?
Nag-decide po kaming mutually kasi nag-express po ako na hindi ko kayang i-fulfill yung obligations ng contract as a spokesperson because to be honest with you, since I'm also a resource person here, I found it very difficult for me to go on media and be interviewed on the same matter kasi nawawala yung objectivity because I'm also part of the hearing as a resource person. So, sinabi ko po yun na I don't think I am